I am going to open the file bashir.ott. The other one is Malayalam document. That is why I am selecting this bashir.ott. School report.ott is there, but that document is in Malayalam. School report.ott. Okay, here is bashir.ott is there. So I am opening the file. Yes. Then first of all, I am going to make changes in the subheading because the main heading is only one in this document. That is why I am selecting this subheading. Okay. Then firstly I am selecting this subheading, then make changes. Whatever we need, that changes we can do here. So I am selecting the font size, then italics style, then font color, etc. Then after that the selection, now the text is with the selection, so keep the selection and double click on this. This is the clone formatting tool. Double click on this clone formatting tool, then watch the mouse pointer, that is in the style of cloning. Okay, then hold on the control key and drag through the next heading. Okay, again the cloning style is remaining there, so I am again press the control key and drag through the next subheading, then the next one also in the same style I am doing. Okay, autobiographical element, then works, etc. This much subheadings are there, so I am doing this all subheadings by clone formatting. Okay, I think you could understand this. Then this is the method of making changes in a small document of few pages. So you remember that this can be do only with the small document with small pages. Okay, then if you want to avoid this clone formatting, or want to means now also the mouse pointer is with the same cloning style, clone tool style. Okay, so to remove it, click on the clone tool, then the mouse will come into the normal style. Okay, this is what clone formatting. And here the next style is styles for defining headings. Here we have learned about the features of a LibreOffice Writer to format the headings, subheadings, etc. of our document. Here the writer has the features to define words or headings and given them a suitable format. These are available in style box. This is the style box, isn't it? In this style box, different styles are available. Then in the same document, if we want to apply the heading 1 style, so you just select the heading and apply that style only. So I am removing all these styles from the document, that clone tool ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള styles. So I am just removing all these styles. Okay, I removed all the styles. Then next, select this first heading, the subheading, then I am selecting the heading 1 style. What happened here? The style which is heading 1, what are the modifications including in that style? That is applied to the given text. Isn't it? Then I am selecting the next. Then also I am applying heading 1. Okay, means a uniformity. We need an uniformity to our document. So I am selecting each text, each subheading and selecting the heading 1 style. This is the defining headings or styles. Okay, or applying styles. Means the styles which is already available in the writer is just applying only to the heading. Understood? Then here is another option, that is more styles. Here title, subtitle, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, then headings and more style option is there. Then if you need more style, then you can click on this. So I am clicking on the more style. Then the heading 1, heading 2 styles are available. Then the next thing we are going to study is that modifying the style. Here this heading 1 includes the style which is the letter style is in Liberation Sans. Then its size is 18.2. Then bold. That style we can see here. Isn't it? When we applied the heading 1 style to the subheading, see the changes. Liberation Sans is the font style. Then font size is 18.2. Then bold is selected. That means these are the styles in heading 1. Isn't it? Then if you want to modify this style, then right click on the style. Click from the style box, select heading 1. Then in the right side of that screen, the styles window will appear, and from that right click on the heading 1 and select modify option. When we select the modify option, the style window will appear here. Means what are the styles are the with that styles the window will appear here, and from here we you can change the needed changes. Here Liberation Sans is the font style. Then if you want to change it, that you can modify. Free mono. Okay, free mono style selected. Then left alignment. It is a subheading, so no problem. It is a left aligned. Okay. Then font effects automatic. Then now the color is default color. So if you want to change the color, select another color. Okay. Then I am applying this. Apply. Okay. What happened here? What happened? The style heading 1 is changed. How it is changed? Means from the style box, I select the heading 1, more style option, and in the right side of the screen, the style window is appear, and from that the heading 1, keep the cursor or selection on the heading 1 and right click and select the modify option, and then the style window, the styles of heading 1 is appearing in a window, and from that I change whatever or whatever may be the changes we need, or what changes we need to do with this heading, that changes I did and apply OK. Then the same time that changes appearing on that heading 1 and also for the applied text. Here see, this heading 1 style is applied here, freedom struggle movement, then journey, etc. So that style is the changed or the modified style is appeared here. Today, dear students, I am stopping here. Then it's the time of wind up. Let us meet in the next class. Okay, thank you.